welcome to Vlogmas. Got the girls here. What's up, girls? Lola and Miss Marley. Okay guys, so we are doing Vlogmas, but we're just gonna get ready together. Starting off with is the Drunk Elephant Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I love these, and as you can see, I have a lot of redness. For those that have never seen my bare face, which I don't think I have shown really ever because I'm quite embarrassed about. This is what my skin looks like without makeup, and it sucks, but it's real life. I'm just gonna be applying this to my forehead and the top of my cheeks and my brow bone, where I would get tan naturally. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Priming Base, which is the best. It really gets rid of the pores, and let's have a chat about how this is gonna go. This is gonna be the most casual Vlogmas I think ever. I kind of am redoing, I'm not sticking to a set of rules with this, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Also about where I'm at. I'm at my parents' house. So I'm not in California, I'm in Iowa. Currently there is snow on the ground, which is awesome. Going in with Tarte Too Faced Born This Way foundation just on back of my hand. Real Technique sponge. So, yeah, like I said, this isn't going to be a normal Vlogmas, mainly because I've never done Vlogmas. So I'm just filming on my phone with a little tripod, so I don't really have all the high-tech equipment that most people that do Vlogmas have. I just wanted it to be pretty casual and not anything, I don't know, I just kind of want to take you through my normal days. December's gonna be busier for me. Obviously, I'm not gonna take you guys along when I'm working because that's just weird. People don't want to be filmed. So basically, just taking you on every day, what I would do every day, on days that I'm home. So that's why I don't want to commit to doing Vlogmas every day. So this is just the best foundation. It's not gonna cover everything in my face, but it's gonna cover enough, and then we'll go in with concealer, which I think my concealer is downstairs. Dang it, that's annoying, isn't it? This is a super extra step, but I take the Hourglass Stick foundation and kind of blend it on my neck, just so that way I get a good coverage. I don't know. Here, concealer, I'm just going in with a Maybelline Age Rewind. Look at the difference. I mean, you can kind of see it. I'm really tired, so I have dark circles and pretty large bags right now. This afternoon, I have a really chill day. On Mondays, I usually watch my cousin's baby, who is almost 4 months old. So I watch her on Mondays, so you guys will be seeing her, which is exciting, and she's so cute. I'm gonna conceal all this later. I draw my concealer up here. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Let's make this real vlog and take you guys with. Okay. Walk through my mom's house, which is nicely decorated for Christmas. Okay, cool. Glossier bag. Typical. Here we go. Back up the stairs. I will do a room tour because I recently completely redid this bedroom that I'm living in. I'm gonna go in with NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I have a lot of redness in my chin area from where all the breakouts usually happen. That's better. I'm going to set everything with the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. I haven't used this powder in a long time, but it's the one that I brought with me because I wanted to put it to use. It's not my favorite, but it definitely keeps me matte. I'm going to take just literally the smallest amounts on my brush. For bronzer, I have been using the Jouer Duo, and I use the medium to deep. Go in with both sides, boop, boop, boop. And like that. It's the Kat Von D Signature Brow, which is a pencil, and it's honestly like the best pencil. So I'm going to do them off camera. Alright, and I'm back and my brows are on. After I go in with my pencil, because I feel like it is a little bit harsh, I like to go in with just like any flat brush, and I like to kind of just like sweep through them and kind of just diffuse any harsh, like really harsh line that doesn't need to be there. I like my brows to look fluffier. So, boom. This is like my everyday makeup, so it's very quick. I'm gonna clip that part of my hair back. The Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in Caramel. Obviously, I've hit pan because I love it. It's the best ever. I really just use this one color and I just sweep it all across the eyelid. And I also love this color because just like everyday life, I don't want to like mess with a bunch of different eyeshadows and different eye looks. So I just want one color that I can blend all over the eye and it be good to go. I'm shooting on my iPhone. I think I already said that. I don't have a fancy camera. I just have like what I have. So if this sucks, I apologize. I just wanted to do Vlogmas, and regardless of if I have the full set of tools to use to do that or not, I wanted to try it anyway, so you're gonna just have to work with me. Blend kind of the edges. Really easy. Take it under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with blush, MAC Melba. It just adds like a really nice flush to the cheeks. And you know, it looks like I'm doing a lot of blush because I am. But I'm gonna go over it with my powder brush, which is the Sephora Pro. It's Pro Airbrush number 55, which is literally one of the best brushes I've ever purchased. So I would highly recommend. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in and add some eyeliner. I use MAC Teddy, and then I smudge it with the Sonia Kashuk Smudge number 4 brush. Or lived in. And then same on the other eye. I'm not being precise with this because again, I want it to look kind of messy. Brother and I are gonna go to one of their houses and we're gonna make dinner with cousins. It'll be super fun. Probably play games and stuff. And then for a lip gloss, I'm going in with Smashbox. I don't even know if this is available anymore. I'm like the worst YouTuber ever. This is the Smashbox lip enhancing gloss in the shade Snappy. It's the best nude. So I'm gonna do. I don't like wearing lipstick really, like ever. So I usually wear a gloss in my everyday life. I usually wear either this gloss or the Marc Jacobs gloss. Just kind of tap it in. It's the best. The Marc Jacobs gloss that I love is I think these are the Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquers in Pretty Thing, which is also obviously they're very similar. This is just more orangey, this is more pinky. Yeah, those are my favorite. I sit on the floor in front of a window when I do my makeup. This is how I do it at home too. I do it at a desk in front of a window, but I just like the natural light. I think it looks way better. It's way easier to do your makeup. So the mascara that I use is the L'Oreal Telescopic. It makes my lashes go poof. And then for bottom lashes, I just use the Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara because it lasts all day. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't run, it doesn't do all that junk. So lashes are off camera, and all I'm gonna do with my hair is just recurl it and refresh it, and then that's it, and then we'll get dressed. But I really don't think you need to see how I do my hair. I might do a separate video on that, but I feel like for today, makeup tutorial is gonna be the majority. So yeah, anyways, all right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Boop. Here we are with little Iva. Hi. What's that? Ooh. Is that you? And Lola. Hi. We're just watching llamas, huh? Lola. We're just watching about llamas. Lola, get out of here. So this is little Iva. We're watching a show about llamas. She likes it. Does all that matters is that baby is happy. Lola. Oh. Yeah? It's pretty cool, huh? Boop, boop, boop. We're just chilling with the baby. That's all we're doing. We're just chilling with the baby. Yeah? Okay. Say bye to your friends.